Belly Crawford, sobrang namayat, netizens na alarma. Marami ang nabagabag sa TV host, singer, dancer na si Billy Crawford matapos mag-viral ang larawan habang umiinom sa kanyang tumbler. Kapansin-pansin kasi na mas namayat ito sa kanyang pisikal na pangangatawan noon kaya marami ang nagbigay opinyon at nagtataka kung ano ang lagay at kalusugan ng aktor. Makikita rin na halos puro negatibo ang naging komento ng mga netizens kaya naman hindi rin napigilan ng asawa nitong si Colleen Garcia ang matlabas ng kanyang saloobin tungkol rito. Agad nga nitong tinawag ang pansin ng mga naintrigang netizens sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram stories. There's this viral photo kasi si Belly going around, I felt the need to address it without directly addressing it. Saad ni Colleen patungkol sa kumakalat larawan ng asawa sa social media. Pagpapatuloy niya, actually, I don't know if you've ever seen him before without makeup, but long before we even started dating, he's always had dark under eye circles and major hair loss na. Iginiit rin niya na hindi lang napapansin ng netizens ang totoong hitsura ni Belly dahil sa hair and makeup sa tuwing nakikita ito ng madla. I wish we had photos from 10 years ago to show and he's always had those dark circles and matagal na siyang walang hair, say pa ni Colleen. Ang naging pahayag ni Colleen ay hindi lamang pagtatanggol kay Belly, ngunit ito rin ay naging daan para i-call out ang unrealistic standards ng mga taon sa mga artista na dapat ay laging pekto. Siyempre, people just to see the glammed up version of us lang, which isn't really how we look on daily basis, say pa ni Colleen. Mantala, siniguro naman niya sa madlang people na maayos ang kalagayan at kalusugan ni Belly at talagang abala lang ito sa kanyang schedule. Medyo ngarag lang cause we've both been working more than usual while balancing a lot of things, lalo na si Belly. He's out of the town now overnight lang, but he just came from France for a month. Then he's leaving for the US next week. He'll mostly be in France again for the remainder of the year. Ang daming travels, sabi pa ni Colleen. Belle Jolidisma Crawford o mas kilala bilang Billy Crawford ay isang Filipino actor and singer. Crawford is a recipient of 2 NRJ Music Awards sa FAMAS Award and the Special Ani Nandangal Award from the National Commission for Culture and Arts. Crawford made his television debut. He is the husband of Colleen Garcia,